Okay guys, I have got a Maytag Centennial washer, heavy duty, super capacity plus, excellent condition. It's in like new cosmetic condition and it works like new. Doing a load here just so you can see that it does in fact work as described. Excellent shape. Filling up with water right now. I've just got it on warm. Super load, turn the extra rinse off, and it'll kick in and start agitating here in just a minute. Got a lot of jeans and stuff piled in there. But I'm going to let you hear it as it agitates, and then let you hear and see. Well, there it goes to agitate. So it sounds great. What's going on is this guy back and forth, bringing those clothes down and back up, getting them real clean for you. See, it sounds good. It's nice and level and balanced. What I'll do is come back as soon as it's on that final spin cycle there. That way you can hear it at full blast, full speed. See that everything works good and sounds great. And we'll let it finish up. Alright, and it just kicked into that final spin. And it should be just about at full speed. It's very smooth, nice and quiet. You can see that it's not off balance or shaking or anything like that. That's the most important thing to check for. And kind of the purpose of this whole video is just so that you know when you buy this, take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell my items here. We'll open that up, show you that it is spinning nice and fast. Of course, the lid switch works. Alright, we'll let that finish up. Okay, and we've got those clothes pulled out of the washer. It's nice and clean and empty there. We got the clothes thrown into the dryer. Go ahead and put that on very dry for automatic high heat. Hit go. As you can see in here, it sounds great. It's nice and stable. There's no off balance or weird noises or wobbliness. All things you'd want to look for. Of course, the washer has gone through and passed its 28-point inspection, and the dryer has passed its 22-point inspection. They're in excellent condition. And I'm going to show you that it is, in fact, heating like it's supposed to. Little temperature gun, whatever that red light shines on, is going to give you the surface temperature. So we're going to shine it right in here at the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of there. And that in turn, coming out of that tube can get pretty hot because the heating element's right below in the backside comes out of that tube. And we'll heat the inside up anywhere from 100 to 195 depending on what heat setting you have it on. That's how that works. So now you know they both work great. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Y'all have a great day.